Is this for Jasmine? Is that for you in there? Oh boy, let me see. You want me to open it for you? Let me open your bed. Wow, look how pretty. Let me see, Mama, wait. Hey, open it. Open Jasmine's bed. That's for her? Is that yours?
Open it, Mama. Mama, let me open it.
Whose is that? Whose is that?
Let me open it. Hold on, Mama. Ooh, this is good.
Wow, that's nice. That's Jasmine's bed?
That's your bed, Mama.
Woo-wee. Wow. That's pretty.
That's your little bed for the little one, so you can just hang out with that.
We can put
You can rip
it.
it up so we can buy another one.
We can put it inside just for cushion. Let me see.